Look at all the fresh meat. All these are getting ready to get put out on some rows. They're not even on the jack stands yet, but I hear the forklift in the background working hard, so looks like all this new stuff is going to be put out pretty soon. Let's see what we got down here. I wonder if that's what I think it is. Oh yeah. Porsche Cayenne, 04 Porsche Cayenne. Yeah, you don't see many of these hanging around in the lots. Wonder what this is. Too short, can't get in here, but it looks like a V8. Oh. Looks like someone's been in here picking stuff from it already. The old Porsche Cayenne. Oh, it looks like someone pulled the brake rotors. Probably gonna do a big brake kit on something else. Yep, got the front ones too. There's still some stuff on there, but Porsche Cayenne. Oh, look what I stumbled across. It's a, I think it's a Toyota Supra. Let me see if I can find out the year. But looks like someone already grabbed most of the stuff. But 1987 Toyota Supra. I'm not crazy about the color, but man, some neat finds today. Looks like the guy rolled it at one point, but looks like it got picked pretty clean. So no wasted parts here, but pretty neat. Pretty neat little car. I found another Fiat 124 here. Looks like someone pulled the head off, but this is a little red one. I think I saw the doors somewhere else on this. But it's rare to find these cars that are this old out here and pull parts. Most of the stuff out here is a lot newer, but always cool finding these old cars in here. 76 Fiat. Looks like someone ripped into that dash pretty good, but pretty cool. Actually, I think these are the doors. They're at the beginning of the row, so I don't know if somebody pulled them and decided not to get them, but the doors are in pretty good shape. They're heavy. Maybe they went to go get a cart, but yeah, a couple of Fiat 124 doors. Oh, look at this. It's a 1949 Dodge Coronet, and it's got a lot of good pieces in here. All those hubcaps, I guess, are really hard to find. But body is pretty straight and a little bit of rust, but man, if you're looking to do a rat rod, $2,100. Flathead, straight six, missing a carburetor, needs a battery, but I bet you the little starter fluid, this thing would start right up. Let's take a look at the inside. Inside needs seat covers, but the dash looks pretty cool. Look at that. Look at that wood, faux wood dash. That is a neat car. Probably needs a new headliner too, but man, it's a cool car. I love how these door handles work. Anyway, 1949 Dodge Coronet at the pick and pull.